PyCharm is an IDE used for Python programming language developed by JetBrains. How to download install PyCharm Community Edition, run in IDE Python. First code file, step by step explain. Browser open, search box lo PyCharm download, enter key press. Official link first section lo display jetbrains.com PyCharm download. First link, mouse left click. First button, accept all, click. JetBrains PyCharm official redirectory web page, complete display. Left side, PyCharm supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Default detected and select Windows. First option, download.exe Windows button, click. Thank you for downloading PyCharm. Download section of PyCharm latest version 2025.1.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 825 MB. Wait and hear. Downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Next, installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side, downloads folder lo PyCharm exe setup file display. Mouse right click. First option, open, click. PyCharm py exe setup window lo first button, yes, click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to PyCharm setup window lo first button, next click. Choose install location. Installed location default destination folder. Path display local disk C, program files, newly created folder JetBrains, and subfolder PyCharm latest version 2025.1. Space require 3.8 GB. Second button, next click. Installation options. Configuration your PyCharm installation. Create desktop shortcut. First option, PyCharm left side box or tick mark set. Second one, update context menu. Left side box tick mark set. Third one, option, create associations .py. Left side box tick mark set. Defaulted created in path system environment variables box tick mark set. Add bin folder to the path. Left side box tick mark set. Second button, next click. Choose start menu folder. Shortcut created folder name JetBrains default set. Second button, install, click. Installing, please wait while PyCharm is being installed. Setup files and exe files extracting and installation process start. 100% completing the process, wait and hear. Created desktop shortcut PyCharm IDE icon. Completing PyCharm setup. Middle section, two options display. Default second option, select. First one, reboot now. Left side circular tick mark set. Second button, finish, click. System restarted. Process completed. Desktop shortcut PyCharm IDE. Select. Double click, open. PyCharm programming running. JetBrains user agreement. Bottom side, I confirm that I have read and accept the terms of this user agreement. Left side box tick mark set, mouse left click. Second button, confirm, click. Data sharing window lo first button, click. First button, yellow, click. Import settings window lo default installed IDE Visual Studio Code. Second option, skip import, click. Window maximize. Welcome to PyCharm. PyCharm IDE complete user interface dark mode display. Workspace section lo 5 icons display. Third one, new project icon, click. Project related details, enter. Location default display. Python project remove. Delete key press. Chari take. In case change the another one location or path, your current easy identification saved file. In case change the another one drive, right side folder icon, click. Left side desktop option select. Second button new folder, click. Keyboard delete key press. Python projects. Enter key press. First one button select folder, click. Second option create a welcome script. Left side box tick mark set. Python version installed Python latest version, select in your box, right side down arrow, click. Detected installed latest version Python 3.13. Installed previous version, select these options. First option select. Right side bottom section of first button create, click. Elevator.exe window lo first button yes, click. New file main.py. Script print open bracket. Remove this text. Chari tech info. Main window lo output Chari tech info display. Search icon, click. Manage license, enter in box. First option select. PyCharm Pro. Second button remove subscription, click. Blue color button remove subscription, click.